Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to make an electric transfer pump to pump gas out of your gas tank. For this project, you'll need some sort of plastic tubing. I'm using the old siphon pump. You need hose clamps, a flathead screwdriver, 2 jumper wires, an electric motor. These parts combined cost roughly between $25 to $30. What I have here is an electric pump, and I got it on Amazon for about $10. And this electric motor can pump about 30 gallons per hour of fluid. Let's begin with the project. First, remove the plastic tubing from the old siphon pump. Make sure to clean out the plastic tubing. As you can see, it is wet, and I cleaned it with soap and water. Next, take the plastic tubing and connect it to the electric pump. And you might have to force it in if it's pretty tight. So now that is in, take your hose clamp, run it through the plastic tubing, and take your flathead screwdriver and just tighten it up. As you can see, the hose clamps are on and it is tight. Make sure it is not loose because you don't want gasoline spilling everywhere. Next, the connection over here, just snip it off and connect it to the jumper wire. Next, this electric motor requires a 12-volt source, so you can use your car battery or you can use a battery jumper, and that will work as well. And also, make sure you pay attention to the inlet and outlet. The inlet part over here is going to go straight into the gas tank, and this outlet over here, that's where the fluid is going to come out, and this is going to go straight into the gas can or 5-gallon bucket. Here's the electric transfer pump in action. As you can see, I connected to a 12-volt source, and this electric pump is capable of pumping 30 gallons of fluid per hour. If you need to siphon old gas out of your gas tank or you're doing a fuel pump job, this electric transfer pump will make your life a lot easier. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.